This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. This alert has been issued for the entire state of Aurora. An unexpected earthquake has almost hit half of the state and is expected to hit the other half very soon. Medical, police and evacuation teams have been sent to areas affected by the earthquake. As for the other half, we cannot evacuate you. There is no time left. You have 5 minutes until the earthquake hits your area. Remember these following instructions: drop, cover, and hold on. Stay indoors or find a stable shelter. We apologize for this sudden alert and for not warning the already affected areas, but this has even surprised us. But do not panic or make crazy theories. The only thing you should be focused on is surviving. As soon as the earthquake ends, we will send medical and evacuation units to your area. If you see unusual activity outside right before the earthquake hits, do not investigate. This is all for now. Remember to drop, cover, and hold on. This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. We have issued a civil danger warning for the entire state of Aurora until further notice. Multiple people have reported massive flames coming out of sewers and flinging the sewer hatch in the process. Some people have also reported their bathrooms being flooded a couple of hours after the earthquake. Unfortunately, our police force, firefighters and paramedics, can't respond to all of them due to the massive damage of the earthquake and many people's lives being in danger. We apologize if you can't reach 911 or takes a bit longer for someone to arrive. There have also been some conspiracy theorists out there creating fictional scenario and causing mass panic and hysteria amongst the citizens and emergency responders. We want to clarify that there is no such thing as an underground research facility that spans across the entire state, or that this wasn't an earthquake but bombs exploding. If you are one of them, don't worry, we will find you. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening. This warning has been issued by the civil authorities. This is a civil emergency message issued for the entire state of Aurora. There have been small riots breaking out around the entire state due to some individuals believing the lies that the conspiracy theorists have spread. We want to assure you that there is no such thing as a hidden underground research base that is almost as big as the state. Anyone who is caught participating in these riots will be arrested and sentenced for 2 years in federal prison. Please, if you live in the affected areas, lock your doors and windows. Do not answer the door to anyone unless it's your local law enforcement, as these people may be dangerous and could attack you just for not believing them.
They are regular humans and not entities.
Everything that these people and him say is a lie.
Is it on? Oh, alright. Hello, I'm a head researcher at the Aurora State Research Facility. Everybody knows what it is, but you haven't seen its true size. Yes, the facility is located underground and is almost as large as the entire state. And the earthquakes? Well, that was just a cover-up story. And what about the riots? Well, these are not riots. Those are people trying everything they can to stop whatever survived and came out of the facility. Those things are everywhere. I don't have much time left. I really hope that I can live to tell the story. I have to go. I can hear them. I can hear them. I need to go now. No, no, no.
This warning has been issued by the Aurora State Police Department. A shelter in place has been issued for the entire state of Aurora until further notice. Yesterday all of our local broadcasting channels have been hijacked by an unknown individual. The individual claims to be a head researcher at the Aurora State Research Facility. We are unsure if this is a prank or a real whistleblower. Unfortunately, whoever this individual is, they are still telling the truth. We are sorry for arresting anyone who tried to speak out. We were told what to do by high-profile leaders of the research facility. They didn't want you to know what really happened. Multiple entities came out or are still coming out of the underground facility. There have also been massive riots against the local government and facility since yesterday. And this time they are real. We urge everyone to not participate in them because you could get yourself killed by the entities. We are currently working with the military to stop the entities from leaving the state. For now, please lock your doors and windows. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and stay in your shelters. This warning has been issued by the Aurora State Police Department. A chemical hazard warning has been issued for the entire state of Aurora until further notice. If you are receiving this message, do not exit your shelters. Remember to lock your doors and windows, do not look outside, do not respond to any noise coming from outside. A mist-like substance has been seen coming out of multiple cracks on the ground. Do not approach these spots. The riots have also increased these past 2 days to uncontrollable levels. Please do not participate in them no matter how big your anger is, you will most likely die in them. You will either be killed by the entities or by the task force of the research facility. The current amount of casualties is unknown. We have also been unsuccessful in finding the unknown individual from the hijacking incident. This individual has already appeared 2 times. Our staff will still be working with the military to locate the people responsible for this incident and neutralize any entities. If you have any concerns for your safety, do not hesitate to call for help. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening. warning has been issued by the Aurora State Police Department. A civil emergency message has been issued for the entire state of Aurora until further notice. We have issued this message due to an alarming rise in vigilante justice groups. We advise everyone to not join them. If you are caught being a part of any vigilante group, you could face sentences up to 5 years in prison. We are not doing this to silence anyone but for your safety. We are actively working with the United States government to locate these individuals, and some of them have already been found and are being questioned. Again, we ask everyone to not take justice into your own hands. Don't look for the rest. The biggest vigilante groups are the Peaceful International Politics Force and the Head Snatchers. Some citizens have also heard loud roars and screams. We are unsure where they are coming from. We are trying to contact all the researchers who worked at the facility, including the unknown individual, in order to gather as much information on the entities as possible. This is all for now. Don't panic and be aware. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening. This warning has been issued by the Aurora State Police Department. This is a shelter-in-place reminder for the entire state of Aurora. Please pay close attention. Again, we remind everyone to not join any vigilante groups, especially the Head Snatchers. Don't participate in riots and stay in your shelters. We have managed to contact 2 head researchers from the Aurora State Research Facility in hopes to get information about the entities. Both researchers have provided useful information about them. The 2 entity types that have escaped are called the One-Eyed Jack and the Blob. Both types are hostile, especially the Blob because of its body. The Blob can't be eliminated by any bullets, only by explosives or fire. We recommend strengthening your shelters. As for One-Eyed Jack, it can be eliminated with any weapon. However, it can run up to 28 miles per hour and has strong hands. We advise everyone to not approach any of these entities. Don't even try to negotiate with them, it won't work. The final thing that they mentioned is an entity that may have survived the explosions. This is all for now. Remember to stay in your shelters. We will try to update you soon. This warning has been issued by the Aurora State Police Department. This is an immediate evacuation notice issued for the entire state of Aurora. We can't keep up. They have breached our defenses. Our state police cannot protect you anymore. There is only enough of us to evacuate as much citizens as possible. Not even the military can arrive to save you from hordes of entities. Please take only important items with you, such as your mobile phone, medication, documents, food and water. You may also take a weapon with you. Anyone over the age of 13 can now use a gun for self-defense. Start packing after this broadcast ends. When you are done, head to the nearest evacuation zone. We have managed to set up 30 of them across the state. You'll then be transported to either another country or to a military outpost. Do not panic. We understand that this may be hard to comprehend, but this is the only choice. Multiple cities have either been overrun by entities or are controlled by vigilante groups. We are sorry for failing you. All individuals responsible for this will face real justice. This is officially all from us. Thank you for your cooperation, everyone. Goodbye.
This warning has been issued by the Peaceful International Politics Force. The Aurora State has officially fallen and others may follow. There is no police left. The United States government might try to restore the state using military forces, but we won't recommend you to count on that. This is the Peaceful International Politics Force. We are a vigilante group that tries to solve things the peaceful ways first. You can join us in our mission to restore Aurora, but you don't have to. We won't force you to join us. You can also disagree with us. We are not like the other vigilantes. We will not hunt you down like the head snatchers would. We are entering dark times. If you are seeing this message, please, if you don't want to join any groups, stay in your shelters. Do not go outside. Block everything you can. That thing with the red eye and tentacles will notice you from miles away. It's the commander of the other entities like the Block or One-Eye Jack. We have also mentioned that other states may fall soon. The truth is that massive hordes of entities have scattered almost around the entire USA. We have to go now. Please stay safe out there.
Hello? If you can see this, come to our survival shelter. I'm a random survivor, but there's a lot of us. Head to the city center in Aurora. There will be someone waiting. I have to go now. Watch out for the entities.
This warning has been issued by the Peaceful International Politics Force. This is the Peaceful International Politics Force. We hope that this message reaches as much people as possible. We may still have some hope left. Yesterday we have managed to capture an unknown transmission that was trying to hack into and eventually did hack into every radio and TV stations. It was a message by that mysterious head researcher from the Aurora State Research Facility. The researcher revealed a possible way to end this nightmare forever. As we said before, that entity with the red eye and tentacles is the main commander of the entities. The researcher revealed that it protects itself this way. The entity is only strong on the outside rather than inside. It means that if we put explosives inside of the eye entity, we can eliminate it and stop its servants. Though the researcher himself said that he doesn't know what might happen to them. We have managed to also find him. We will be working together to end this thing for good, and you can join us too. The more of us, the stronger we are. Tomorrow, head to the city center in Aurora City. You can spot us by our flag.
Hello? Oh, it's on. Great. I really hope that this message reaches everyone. I'll try to get this on every radio and TV station out there, but also try to send this across social media platforms. Basically, what I wanted to say is that there is a way to defeat the I entity, or at least that's how everyone has been calling it. Researchers called it a bit differently, but that's not the point of this message. The truth is that there is a way to defeat it. We already tried it, but that did not end well. The entity basically is only strong on the outside. Like it's, I don't know what to say, like its outside body, the one that everyone can see, that basically is undestroyable. So nothing really can get through it. You can only go inside of the entity through its mouth. Yes, it has a mouth, but the eye is an eye and a mouth at the same time. If we theoretically put explosives inside, if we somehow manage to do it, we can basically blow it up from the inside and it will just fall down. So yes, there is a way to end this nightmare for good. I have to go now. I can't stay anywhere for more than an hour, or they will find me. I really hope that this ends one day. I'm really tired of running away from them. If you didn't know, the task force is still hunting some individuals who know the truth. Be careful. The time has come. It is now or never. I have to do this quickly since returning to my old hideout is really dangerous, but I had no choice this time. Alright, time to start loading it up. If this doesn't work out, I don't know what to do. This is our only hope, our only chance to get our lives back. Here goes nothing.
What took you so long? We have been fighting this thing for an hour already.
I know. Listen, you need to help me with this thing. We need to get it up to the highest floor. Tell everyone to distract it as long as they can.
Alright, I'm on it.
I'm in position, sir.
Do not shoot yet.
Understand, sir. Something is not right. Were they just talking to us?
How long will it take you?
I'm almost done. There you go. Everything is set. Now all we need to do is to time the launch and pray that it works.
This has to work.
Shoot that remote now.
Wait, what was that?
Damn it!
No.
Oh, my hand!
We have a problem up here. There is a sniper shooting at us.
The remote! Now! Fire it now before it's too late!
Leave the area now.
Well, that's a lot of damage.
It's not over yet. We still have some work to do to undo the damage. This warning has been issued by the Peaceful International Politics Force. This is the Peaceful International Politics Force. This is our final message. We may no longer use this system to transmit news and warnings. We are happy to inform you that it's over. The entity has been destroyed and all that's left of it is a crater in the center of Aurora City. All of the creatures have stopped moving. Some one-eyed entities have started to turn back into humans. Yes, it's real. However, not everyone survived the process. After the destruction of the entity, infected individuals started to turn back into humans again, but due to how painful it was, not everyone made it. Some died during the process, some even didn't turn back. As for the blob, nothing happened. All blobs have just stopped moving. We are unsure as to what to do with them for now. We also don't know what happened to the people who were controlling the facility. We also don't know what happened to the task force. But the main danger is gone. Same for the head snatchers. They have disbanded as soon as they helped us with the EAS destruction. Before this transmission ends, we would like to say thank you. Thank you for your help and support.